Hello everybody, Shade the Alpha here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Minecraft skin. So how this works is, what I suggest is going on to www.planetminecraft.com/pmcskin3d. If not, just type in 3D skin or Minecraft 3D skin editor, and then you'll find it there. Anyway, so start. This is the skin that I have in Minecraft normally. So, since I already have it saved, I can just erase it all again. So, I'm gonna teach you how to make. I'm gonna try to make. Actually, hold on. Let me think. Who am I gonna make? I'm gonna make me. No, wait, hold on. I'm gonna make one of my monsters called a Reaper. So how this works is you take a gray and just cover the whole thing in it. Cover the whole thing in gray. No, wait, not that gray. Darker gray. Okay. Stop running around! Okay, anyway. So cover the whole thing in gray. Cover the whole thing in gray. Just do it. Cover the whole thing in gray. Don't forget to do the sides or the palms and feet and the bottom of the head. To do the bottom of the head, you can easily go into 2D, head bottom, all gray. Okay, go back to 3D and all of it's gray. Now there's still stuff. Oh wait, hold on a minute, I did that wrong. Okay, go into 2D and just make the whole thing gray. All gray. Baby. Make the whole thing gray. Just make the whole thing gray and don't listen to them. They are very annoying. Just make the whole thing gray, and then stuff that's like jacket, then don't erase it. You don't need that. Don't just all jacket, just erase it. So, and hat, erase that too. Hat, you don't need that. Okay, so just erase hat and jacket and stuff. Erase hat, jacket, and stuff. Okay. Just erase it. Erase. Erase it. Just erase it all. Erase the whole thing. Posing. Something turning his head. Like this? Like, no, that's not gonna work. Dabbing, even though it's poorly. Erase. Erase. Do it, just take his head, take it, and spin it. and since it's an armor, I can't do that. Crap. So just erase the whole thing. Erase all of it. Go to 2D, I guess. And then, hat bottom. No. Okay, jacket top, I'm guessing. Jacket. Where's jacket? Back, jacket. Jacket front. Nope. Okay, I'm guessing this is all jacket. This whole thing is jacket. Jacket top. See? I told you. Okay. Now go back to 3D. Oops. Oops. Okay, hold on a second. Blank. Blank. Okay. Go back to 3D. I hate that. Go back to, okay. Bring back to normal. Just make it all gray. All gray. Dark gray. Okay, so you got that. So this block here, it helps you a lot, because then you can tell if it's all a solid color. You can tell which is top, bottom, front, right. Oh, good thing I checked the bottom. Okay, lift up your arms with this. Okay, color in under his arms if you didn't already on accident, and 2D, 3D, or 2D, yeah. Have him go back to normal, I guess. Then for claws, we have like pretty much black, but like a dark gray. Have a simple cube brush for his claws. Do that. Make sure you have the right ones though, because then that could end up bad. So once you make the claws, do the same to his feet. Make sure you know. To help you know which foot is which, you can do Da Vinci, and you can get under his arms, near his pelvis. Okay, hold on. I need to no. Okay, go back to the front, I guess, and then do that. Like this? Was it? Yeah, it was that. Okay. My mouse keeps zooming out, and don't worry, you don't have to do any of that. Clearly. Okay, so make the claws. Okay, hold on. Blam, bloom. Okay. Make the rest of the claws. There. Made the foot claws. Oh, hold on, I missed one. Okay, that's the front. These claws are his thumbs. Hold on, did I do that right? Yeah, I did it fine. Okay. For his face, you can zoom in if you need to, but I don't, because then you only zoom in on his chest. Grab black, do the circle brush. Okay, hold on, did that wrong. Put it all the way to the edge. Then take the pixel brush and make a big smile. That's not a smile. Okay, hold on. How did I do this again on my phone? like that. There. Take white. If you want, put some teeth in there. If you want, you don't need to. Then, whoops, okay. Take some dark gray and, wait, no, dark gray. Make spikes. Wait, hold on, that's not dark enough. Make spikes on his back every 2 pixels. Every pixel. Every other pixel. Okay, so after you do that, you can make his tail, which, if you want to make it good, or kind of good, I guess, you can get a little darker. Make it down 1 leg instead of 2. And then take a light gray. Take it, there. You got his tail. And you're not done yet though. No. Take a gray, close to the color that you're colored with, like that's the color, so I'm taking this color. He's really, really thin, so you need to put like a darker, little darker than you, sorry, not lighter. Okay, so like this. There, yeah, perfect. If you want to do this, you don't have to, but I do it. I think it might make it. No, I'm not going to do it. If you want to try and make him look thin, you can do that. I'm not really good at it, so I'm not going to be able to show you it. So, and then that's kind of it. Okay, hold on. Let me think if I missed anything. Oh, hold on. Make sure you didn't miss under here. Do Da Vinci. Make sure you didn't miss anything under there, like I did. See that little spot right there? I need to. Okay, but then you can just go to 2D. Oh boy. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Body top. There. See, you didn't finish. If you didn't finish it, just look at it and see if you did good. If you didn't do good, oh well, you didn't do good. Okay. Anyway, so if you didn't, if everything is filled out, then I missed some stuff. There, you have. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. Finish everything up. There, you have finished your, what I like to call, subject 5, 3, 2, 4. Well, actually, I call it subject XLD 3, 5, 2, 4. But whatever you want to call it, you call it. You can call it Reaper, like its abbreviation name, subject XLD 3425, or any other name you want to call it. Well, crap, I just pulled a muscle. And then you click Publish to Planet Minecraft. No, wait, sorry, wrong thing. You clicked File up here, Save to File, and if you open the file, look, you have your Minecraft skin. Oh, it's really small. Okay, hold on. It's like really small. Okay, anyway, there you have it. Your Minecraft Reaper skin. This is Shade the Alpha signing out.